Good morning, welcome to today's video and welcome to Jam HQ. We've all been a bit late to work this morning. London's in a bit of chaos. We've just had some very sad breaking news that a bunch of cyclists have been hit by a car near Parliament. It doesn't look like the guy's been caught. He crashed into the safety barriers just outside. Currently we're transfixed to the news just trying to work out what's happened.
Erected for the purposes of a terrorist investigation. We haven't confirmed that.
I would normally ride this way. George texted me and so I basically headed up higher north and then dropped down, but yeah, everyone's trying to avoid it at the moment.
Could have been us.
Did you manage, how did you come in?
I don't even go near Parliament, so I was the other way.
So you were already on the
Yeah,
south
I was
side.
fine, yeah. We are going to continue with our day of work, obviously keeping an eye on the news throughout the day. Oh Jess, what are you doing?
Coffee. Gold cleats, mate. I like gold.
Are they made of real gold, really soft, so when you clip in you can't unclip again? Yes. Just a meeting of the Elder Council?
Yeah. Meeting of Elrond, but yeah.
In that case, you're not allowed to see this. Camera goes away. Are these your crazy graphene
These
thing?
are bloody awesome, yeah. These, ooh, graphene base layers. Get some
They're
photos.
just completely rigid.
Let's get some photos.
Yeah, let's do it. Perfect, done. Why are you so stressed, Chris?
Because I fly tomorrow morning and I've got a lot of shit sorted out and the delivery hasn't turned up today.
Where are you flying to?
Someplace I can't even spell. Kyrgyzstan, yeah.
Do you actually fly straight there?
No, so it goes to Moscow.
Oh.
Flying to Moscow and then we've got like maybe 2 hours to kill. We land at about 5 or 6 in the morning on Thursday. Race starts at 9 o'clock on Saturday.
What height is the airport are you staying at?
Staying in Bishkek and we start at about 1,000 metres above sea level, 1,200 I think.
Is that the level of what you're staying at? So you've got a couple of days to drink it in.
Yeah.
Because 1-2, that'd be like staying at like an alpine ski resort.
Yeah.
And the only way is up from there for you.
Well, the first climb goes up to nearly 4,000 metres.
Yeah,
and that's
boy.
the first climb of the race. Like literally, it's like bosh.
Yeah.
Bosh. That's a 4 there.
It's cardboard.
It's just under 4,000 metres. That's the second highest point in the race. The highest point's over here.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're in the wrong clothes though.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, more graphene-y.
Oh god, working with idiots.
Like a glove?
Is it hot in front of that light?
It was.
You're lit so strangely, you kind of look like a waxwork.
You taxidermied me.
Oh god. She's the first victim. I mean the first
Model? First participant in the museum. First entrant.
What's the museum called?
The Human Taxidermy Museum,
Of Death.
Museum, Taxidermy Museum of Death.
The people place. The Jam Museum.
Oh, what's that?
Oh.
We need like models with more arm muscle.
Where do you want me?
Ooh, excellent. Let me just light your face better. Paint me like one of your French girls.
I know something that Francis will like to see. How waterproof this is.
Oh yeah. On flashy as well.
No, I don't want water chucked on me, Francis.
Jess's new bike.
New bike day.
He bought it just now from out there on the balcony.
Yeah.
From the man that sells bikes there.
Bike shop, balcony, and then bike. What do you think of the pedals? I did an Instagram poll and that was the colour selected.
Oh my god. Why are you cleaning her already clean chain?
Because it's got the factory
Jizz.
oil on there that we do not want. We want to get rid of that. It's of no use to anybody, so we clean it down before we stick our colour on there.
What goes better with luminous yellow and green
And blue.
than pink and blue? Yeah.
Yeah.
There you are. It's like seeing someone off to school with your little Pokemon backpack on.
Goes to the bike.
You nervous?
I'm shitting it. Like, I'm having a bit of a mental breakdown at the moment. It's been going on for 3 days. Well, phases of eating everything and not eating anything.
You should probably eat, considering you've got to ride 2,000 million miles.
Obviously, the most serious of those is the terrorist possibilities. The location for this sort of
Look after Bobby quick for us.
Good luck, man.
I'll post bullshit when I can.
You going to Kyrgyzstan as well?
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Are we going to Yemen?
Bye.
14 Yemen Road. 14 Yemen Road.
Yeah. See you later.
Just going to put a little touch up on before she goes out the door, and that looks fucking sick. Look at that.
You ready? What's
Ready.
that?
Looks like balloon cutting is after you pop balloons, isn't it?
Yeah, I just don't know where it came from.
It's
though.
not. But
You say you do know what it is?
I know nothing.
Riding.
Ride all the way to cafe.
30-second walk.
Yeah.
It's a 5-second ride.
Yeah, exactly.
You're a G.
Oh, am I? Yeah. Nice. Usually I'm a B.
Galbraith, isn't it?
Yeah, lad.
Fuel, because the next portion of today's work is going to be very intense.
Mentally, maybe perhaps more than physically.
Right, we are just heading to find a location to do a bit more shooting with Jess and her new cross bike, and George riding the cross bike in a very special outfit, which I don't think we're allowed to show on video.
Give away all my secret training areas.
Yeah.
Right, so this is in this part of the park. From the top of that hill, it's like a 700-metre line. From the top of that hill, down the dirt track, through all the trees, which is like technical, and then out the other side and sprint the other side. It's like more like open area.
There's a big sign that says no cycling over there.
That's there's only no cycling on the path. I never stick to the path, go on the grass.
Say she really vibe with me. Ain't got shit to hide.
Oh, that was hard work.
I fell off.
Do some practice.
You did actually fall off.
I fell off.
Yeah. I'll delete that footage. Don't worry.
Anyway, yeah, right.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. So we are trying to find locations to film Jess's new cross bike, because by the time we've actually got this content out, it's going to be cross season.
What's the benefit of that?
What, being off-road?
Yeah.
There isn't really.
Handling skills in a big way.
I did 2 to 3 sprints.
Knackered. Oh, for God's sake.
It's the new thing. It's like suspension for your wrist.
It's not the new thing.
It
Oh,
is.
that happened
So
to me
you're like,
once.
oh no.
What are you laughing at? I'm not allowed to film him.
I don't know how I'm going to ride a bike with this, to be honest with you.
Now, I can't exactly show you what's going on off camera. I can assure you it is very funny. All will be revealed in future episodes. The guys with the balls are back.
It's all over the place, these baldy lads.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're doing.
Security, kick them out.
There's light on security today, mate.
Are they?
As you heard, Charlene not happy about it.
So she wasn't.
She was not happy about it.
Show me your new bike.
It's my new cross bike. I'm going to start doing cross and maybe ride it as just a winter bike as well. When the roads get all gross and dirty.
You got proper hydraulic discs on there as well?
Yes.
Because I had a bike with mechanical disc brakes
Yeah.
and it was crap.
I've only had rim brakes, so this is my first time of any kind.
Also, they're
of
probably
disc
like, ooh.
Yeah. It's like.
And you got completely different pedals to usual as well.
Yes. So it's just getting used to those. They're a lot like further forward than my other ones. But yeah, should be fun.
You're slightly jealous.
She's put a bit of thought into it, to be fair to
Yeah,
her.
it's better than your cross bike.
Yeah, okay, yep. Yep, it's good. I am jealous, yeah. Although, this is
No.
what happens if you let Jess put the bike together.
Did you put that together?
Yeah, I mean, but look at the arm muscles that I'm working with. That one didn't screw in any further, so I don't know.
So you didn't tie it up?
I didn't.
I really should have checked this.
Just all rounded off.
Yeah. What you needed is one of them. So yeah,
Oh, where's she gone?
she's gone, mate.
Oh, that's how you ride a cross bike, isn't it? Right, it's time for me to make a move. Sunny day, just before rush hour. Thank God. You gonna return that base layer at some point? Yeah, exactly.
Don't know if I can go size.
It's like a scam, isn't it? You wear it
go
and then
size
take it
down.
back. Yeah, size down. Even tighter.